Every day, thousands arrive at Ekta Nagar to see something extraordinary. A monument that rises 182 meters into the sky. The Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue. They come for the view, the experience, the memory they'll carry home. But long before the first gate opens, before the first photograph is taken, before the first smile is shared, someone is already here. While the world is still asleep, Ekta Nagar is already awake, because creating something extraordinary is one achievement. Preserving that excellence every single day is another. An unseen workforce moves quietly through the dawn, making sure that when the world arrives, everything is ready. It starts with nature. Gardens are groomed, pathways swept clean, every leaf, every corner checked, because a visitor's first impression begins long before they reach the statue. It begins with the land around it. Then comes the finer details. Canopies wiped down, glass polished until it disappears, lights cleaned, surfaces inspected. When thousands walk through each day, cleanliness isn't a task on a list. It's a standard that never slips. Inside, every system is tested before it's trusted. Lifts checked, escalators inspected, the viewing gallery with its sweeping vista of the Narmada waits in silence while teams make sure the journey up will feel effortless. Because effortless never happens by accident. Every day, thousands of visitors arrive with different needs. Meeting each one begins long before they do. From visitor amenities to essential services, every detail is prepared with care. Behind every seamless experience are countless thoughtful preparations. Quiet acts of care that define true hospitality by taking care of things before anyone has to ask. And some things are never left to chance. Fire safety systems inspected and maintained. Emergency preparedness remains an ongoing priority. First aid stations stocked and ready. When thousands of lives gather in one place, safety isn't a department, it's a daily one. As morning turns into day, technology brings the destination to life. Screens inspected, lights repaired, systems fine-tuned. The magic visitors feel is often built by hands they'll never see. Gardeners, technicians, housekeeping staff, electricians, lift operators, safety officers, engineers, supervisors, different roles, one purpose: to make every visitor feel welcome, every moment feel effortless, every memory worth keeping. Then the gates open, the gardens are ready, the lifts are ready, the gallery, the fountains, the lights, all ready. The pathways gleam, and the Statue of Unity stands tall, ready to welcome the world. Behind that single moment lies an entire world of quiet dedication. Thousands of hands working so others can make memories. Every clean path, every polished pane, every safe ride up, every glass of clean water, every light that glows at dusk, each carries a piece of someone's care. Because maintaining greatness isn't a one-time achievement. It's a promise, renewed every single morning. And tomorrow, before the world arrives again, they'll be there, ready, working quietly behind the scenes. So Ekta Nagar can be a destination the world experiences with pride.